The standing cable decline chest press is a great move to target your lower chest muscles while keeping constant tension throughout the movement. Here's how to do it correctly. Position the pulleys at a high point on both sides of a cable machine with D handles attached to each side. Stand with a staggered stance in the center of the cable machine, facing away from the pulleys with one foot in front of the other for balance. Grab the handles with an overhand grip and take a step forward so there is tension in the cables. Hold the handles with your arms bent and hands at chest height, your elbows slightly below shoulder level and your palms facing down. Keep your core engaged and lean slightly forward with your chest up while maintaining a strong athletic posture. Exhale as you press the handles down and forward in a diagonal motion, simulating a decline press. Your arms should extend straight out in front of you as you squeeze your chest muscles without fully locking out your elbows. Inhale and slowly bring your hands back to the starting position by bending your elbows while keeping them at a 45-degree angle to your body to protect your shoulders. Your chest should stay lifted and your back straight throughout the movement. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.